Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can hide likes on a specific post on Instagram. Maybe you want to hide likes on your specific post on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how to hide like counts on your specific post on Instagram. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open your Instagram, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you'll see this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you're in your profile page, scroll down and then select the post you want to hide the like counts. If you select the post, simply tap on this three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will see here the option Hide the like counts. Simply tap on this Hide like counts. As you can see, like count is hidden. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can hide like counts on a specific post on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can hide like counts on a specific post on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.